Hi everybody, welcome back to another Sprint Booster install. Today we're installing the Sprint Booster on this beautiful 2022 Toyota Sienna all-wheel drive hybrid. Sprint Booster is the #1 and original throttle control module in the market. It's trusted by over 2 million users worldwide, so you know you're getting the good stuff. To learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com, check out our wide list of applications, and see which Sprint Booster is right for your machine. So the first step in your install is to take your key fob and put it 10 feet away from your car with your front door open. That way your CAN bus system can reset. Then we're ready to begin the install. Next up, look at your throttle pedal assembly. Above there, you're going to see the clip to the harness. Unplug that clip and then plug your Sprint Booster in line. But to make life easier for this application, because it's tight, we have plugged the controller into the Sprint Booster right before we put it in line, and then we're good to go. Next up, run your controller up to your dash. But before you mount it on there with the provided adhesive, make sure you check that you're in the automatic setting if you have an automatic car like we do, or flick it to the manual setting if you have a manual car. Once installed, hit the silver button to turn on your Sprint Booster and cycle through the modes. You're going to have 36 unique modes in total on your Sprint Booster, including 9 modes in race mode and another 9 modes in sport mode. Along with that, you also have valet mode, which limits your throttle pedal output, so in case anybody takes your car out, they can't rev it out all the way. Along with valet mode, you also have pedal lock mode that completely disengages your throttle pedal so that if anybody gets in your car, they can't take it out for a drive. All right, everybody, well, that's it. Thanks for checking out another Sprint Booster install. If you want to learn more, head on over to sprintboosterusa.com and check out our wide list of applications, and let us know down in the comments what other machines you want us to install a Sprint Booster on. All right, bye now.